India's retail inflation accelerated to 7.41% in September, from a year ago on higher food and energy costs, the highest since April and above the upper end of the RBI's 2 to 6% tolerance band in each month this year. Data released by the National Statistics Office showed Consumers Price Index based inflation (CPI) in September rising to 7.41% from a year ago, compared to August 7%. The latest reading will pressure the RBI to accelerate policy tightening further, even at the cost of the economy. After raising its key repo rate to a 3-year high of 5.9% in 4 increments this year to tame surging prices. A Punjab police special investigation team probing the 2015 Kotkapura police firing case on Wednesday questioned former Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal for around 3 years at his residence. The SIT is led by Additional Directorate General of Police L.K. Yadav. Mr. Badal was the Chief Minister of Punjab when the police firing took place in 2015. On September the 14th, the SIT questioned Shiromani Akali Dal Chief Sukhbir Singh Badal in connection with this case. The International Criminal Police Organization, commonly known as Interpol, has sent back India's request for a red corner notice on terror charges against Khalistan separatist Gurpatwant Singh Pananu, with the queries, sources said. The Central Bureau of Investigation had submitted all inputs given by the Indian agencies, but the Interpol raised queries and returned it. Government sources stressed that Interpol did not flag any misuse of the Anti-Terror Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, as indicated in some news reports, as Global Anti-Crime Organization does not make such comments. After noting that there is a line Lakshman Rekha to how far courts can go on challenges to government policy decisions, the Supreme Court today said it will still hear the petitions against 2016 demonetization of high-value currency notes. It listed the matter for November 9. It wants the central government to keep ready the files about the decision to ban Rs500 and Rs1000 notes. Over 80% of all notes then in circulation announced in sudden, late evening address by PM Modi as an anti-corruption measure. It was also wants the Centre and Reserve Bank to file response. One of the chief questions the court wants to answer is whether the hearing will now be just an academic exercise after 6 years. New high-value notes have since been put into circulation, even as people lined up for days to exchange the cancelled notes. The Uddhav Thackeray-led faction on Wednesday slammed the Congress as well as the Bharatiya Janata Party on the recent controversy over freedom fighter V.D. Savarkar and said the two parties have trivialized the issue. It said both the parties need to study Savarkar politic, social, scientific and economic thoughts. Last week, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi during his Bharat Jodo Yatra had claimed that Savarkar used to get stipend from British and asserted that it was historical fact.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.